Friends, in the last class we are discussed about non-standard measures and the standard measures, and also we are discussed about the system international units, the system international units, and also in the last class we are discussed about meters, and also in the last class we are discussed about the centimeters and the millimeters. So and also you know about that what is the value of the 1 centimeter and what is the value of the 1 meters, and also in the last class we are discussed about the kilometers also. So no, now also you can measure the distance from one city to another city in kilometers. For example, Mudol to Bagalkot, the distance is 64 kilometer distance. Correct or not? So these type will be nowadays we measure the distance from in the large distance, measure the large distance in the kilometers. In the last class we are discussed about the decameters and the hectometers and the kilometers. So, and also in the last class we are discussed about the sub multiples of the units, that is millimeters, centimeters and the decimeters. So these type will be in the last class we are discussed about these all things. Today I will start with new things, making measurement of a length, making a measurement of length. See students, and making measurement of a length of an object we should follow the following procedures. We should follow the following procedures in making the measurement of the length of an object. In that time must and should follow the following procedures. So what are the procedures? See students, place the scale in contact with the objects along its length shown in the figure. Already two figures are given, two pictures are given. Place the scale in a contact with the objects along its length as shown in the figure. See students, first pictures you can see, second pictures also see that first pictures, the scale must and should be straight, correct or not? But inside the scale is not straight, correct? The scale is not straight. See students, so this is a correct method, this is a correct method, it is a incorrect method, it is a incorrect method. So this is a correct method. The scale must and should place it a straight line, in a straight line, but you can see in this side as the scale is not in straight line. Yes or no? So this is a correct, so this is a wrong, incorrect. See, this is a correct, this is a incorrect. Understand why? You know the reasons, because you can see the first pictures the scale is in straight, scale is in straight, but you can see in this side scale is not straight. Okay, so that's why the first one is correct, second one is incorrect. Method of placing the scale, method of placing the scale along the length to be measured, along the length to be measured. See students, measurement with a scale, broken ends, broken ends. See students, the first one, avoid taking the measurements from zero mark, from the zero mark. So avoid the taking the measurements from zero mark, from the zero mark. Use any other full mark of the scale, say 1.0 centimeter, 1.0 centimeters, and also subtract the reading of this mark from reading at the other end. Subtract the reading of this mark from the reading at the other end. For example, you can see in the pictures, the reading at the starting mark is 1.0 centimeters. At the others and it is 6.5 centimeters. Therefore length of the object is 6.5 minus 1.0 is equal to 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. You can see the starting, it is 0 to, so it is a incorrect method. You can see the starting 1, so this is a correct method. This is a correct method. See students, must and should start with numbers 1. It is a correct method. Don't start with 0, so that is an incorrect method. See that first point, avoid taking the measurements from the 0 mark. Avoid taking the measurements from the 0 mark. So must and should take from other digits. Okay. 1. Use any fulfill mark the scale 1.0 centimeter. Okay. Subtract the reading of this mark from reading of the other end. For example, you can see reading at the starting mark is 1.0 centimeters and the end of the other is 6.5 centimeters. So therefore length of the object is 6.5 minus 1.0. So total answer is what? 5.5 centimeters. That is the answer. Correct positions of the eye is also important for making the measurement. Correct positions of the eye is also very important for making the measurements. I will show afterwards. Okay. Your eyes must be exactly above the point where the measurements is to be taken as shown in the figures. Position A is the correct position of the eye, not from position A. The reading 1.0 centimeters from the positions. B and C, the readings may be different. See students, in front of you diagram is there. Okay. In these diagrams, this is also wrong. This is also wrong, because when you see in these directions, you look a different reading, and when you see in these directions, you look a different reading. But so this is a right method. So this is a right method, because when you see in this direction, it's look good, and also it is a correct position of the eye. It is a correct positions of the eye. Already discussed. The correct position of the eye is also important for making the measurements. Your eye must be exactly above the point of the experiment is to be taken show in the figures. Position A is the correct position of the eye. Position A is the correct position of the eye. Okay, and B and C is not a correct position. These are a wrong position of the eye. These are the wrong position of the eye. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿ ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣೋದು ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅದರದ್ದು ಅಳತೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಐ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜೀರೋದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿಜಿಟ್ 1 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ 1 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಜೀರೋ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್. ಜೀರೋ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಜೀರೋ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯಾವತ್ತಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಲೇ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವತ್ತಿದ್ರು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೈಡ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಓಪನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 101. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಈ 3 ಜನ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ ಚಿತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ, ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎದವನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಿದವನು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್. ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಐ ಫಾರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ದ scale, reading of the scale, reading of the scale as usual same in your screen also you can see. B ದವನು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಿ ದವನು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಎ ದವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ ಎ is a correct one. In your textbook B is correct one. Okay, names are different but positions are same. Middle one is a correct. ಮಿಡಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಸ್ಕೇಲನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಜೀರೋದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಯಾವುದಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಒಂದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ನೇರವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೇರವಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಥರ ನೇರವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಗಲೇ ತೋರಿಸಿದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು. ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀರೋದಿಂದ ಬಂದೈತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಜೀರೋದಿಂದ ಬಂದೈತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಲೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೇಲನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೇರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೆಜರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕೌಂಟ್. ಅ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ millimeters. A scale is marked in centimeters and millimeters. With the scale of this kind we can measure correctly up to 1 millimeter. Up to 1 millimeter. See students, a scale is marked in centimeter and the millimeters. With the scales of these kinds we can measure correctly up to 1 millimeter, that is a tenth of centimeters, that is a 1/10 of the centimeters. This is called a least count of 15 centimeter scale. This is called a least count of a 15 centimeter scale. Okay, so least count what? See, a scale is marked in centimeters and the millimeters. With the scale of this kind we can measure correctly up to 1 millimeters, that is 1/10 of the centimeters. This is called the least count of the 15 centimeter scale. This is called 15 centimeter. Okay, so this is about your today syllabus. Today we are discussed about the least count, and also today we are discussed about how to measure that materials, and what are the wrong positions of the eye and what are the correct positions of the eye we discussed already. Yes or no? How to measure the, we are understand how to measure that objects. Okay, see students, what are the correct methods and what are the incorrect methods we will discuss today. How to fix the scale, how to measure the materials, today we are discussed. Yes or no? And also today we are discussed about the measurement with the scale with the broken ends, and also today we are discussed about the methods of the placing the scales along with the length to be measured, and also making the measurements of the length. Okay, so this type will be today we are discussed about these things. Next class I'll continue. Okay, thank you.